Hi everyone, and today we're going to make these cute little hats. You'll need some yarn for knitting. Ideally, it should be like this, thick, so that the hat is fluffy and we can make it faster. We'll also need some toilet paper, like this. We see a card. I've already cut myself a piece. You need a small one. Here is a small one. And in principle it can be any. It is from kitchen towels you have left, from foil, from food wrap. You can find ready-made pieces like this. Already prepared pieces. We will need you. We'll use it, well, the world. This is how it will be tied, and let's see how much we need to leave. Let's take a little more. Something like that, probably. In the end, we'll just cut off the extra ones. Like this. We need some pieces. I'll show you roughly now. I only have here 24 centimeters. Here are 24 centimeters. We need to make quite a few of these several pieces. That's quite a lot. So now we just simply wrap it at the end. I'm cutting myself. Let's do it. It's better to have more. So I've wrapped it around myself completely. In a manner like this, ensuring that they are indeed single. So everything is here, this side is exactly like that. They turned out a bit different, but that's okay. It's herself. Let's align all the threads. Let them be a bit longer. So the threads are ready. If we need to, we can make some more. And now, let's get to work. Let's take it. This one here. This cardboard piece, this blank, and one thread. Here, we fold the thread like this. Twice. We push it in here. And we carefully thread these edges through this loop. We end up with, see here, secured the second one carefully and securely. We also fold it. Like this, we fold it twice. We push this thread through it, like this, underneath. And we pass these two edges through, and so we end up with one more. We don't do that anymore, you know. So we've completely wrapped our circle. Everything in the circle now needs to be secured. We are all there. Here. We let all our threads hang down, and we need to tie them with a big piece. We just take the same thread and tie a little tail like this. Once. And also make a knot. You can also simply crochet on the other side to secure it well. A couple of knots too. And leave them with the others, with the tips. Now like this, we adjust them. We hide them inside there. We direct it so that we get a hat. We cut off. Tips. Just like this, however you like, we simply make this hairstyle. The little bell is ready. So we end up with these interesting little hats. And we saw that they are made very quickly. And you can use these little hats for snowmen. We made them. You can dress them up with you. You can also use them for any other crafts, like not just for snowmen. So maybe a bear like that, or a small handmade toy. Basically, wherever you come up with, you can use it. Our hats are indeed universal. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching if you liked our hats. Give a thumbs up for the hats, everyone. Wishing you all a great mood and happy crafting. Bye for now.